Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign a child in or out or absent using the iCheck-In dashboard. To access iCheck-In, you need to ensure that your user role access has access to iCheck-In. To locate the iCheck-In menu, you're going to click on the service menu and under the SP features, click on iCheck-In. To expand a room, you can click next to the room name. This will then list out all children that have booked in for that room for the week. As each day goes on, you will see the dots to represent the ability to sign a child in or out. You are only able to sign a child in or out for the current day or in the past. You will not be able to book and sign a child in the future. iCheck-In works a bit like a traffic light system. The red dots indicate the child has not been signed out. The green dot represents the child has been signed in, and the yellow dot represents the child has been marked absent. So to sign a child in or out, you can simply click on the record, tick sign in, enter the time. The time must be in 24-hour format. And if you are signing the child out also, you can tick this option. Enter in the time and click save. Those red dots now update to green. If we are going to mark a child absent, again, you can click on the record, select the absent reason from the drop-down box. You may even want to put an absent reason and click save. And this will now update that record to the yellow dot. For those for after school care and before school care and you're signing in bulk, you have the ability to tick next to the room or booking type name, highlighting all of those children, and click bulk sign in or out and complete the action you require and click save. This also works for your public holidays. For those services that charge, you can also mark those children in bulk absent. And they are now all marked as absent. On your home screen, you will receive notifications as a default 30 minutes before the service closes and 30 minutes after the service opens, displaying children that have not been signed in or out. When clicking on this notification, it will take you straight to that iCheck-In page, allowing you to update that record. You will notice you have the ability to multi-sign in and out. So for those children that have gone to a doctor's appointment or an excursion, etc., you can come back in here and sign in again. For further information on the iCheck-In device within Kidsoft, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.